Number 5. The Principles of Kaizen. Kaizen is a way to teach how to be resourceful, to understand the true purpose of their work, to transfer knowledge, and to question each element of a task, to maximize efficiency. Where there's a will, there's a way. Resourcefulness is a more powerful lever for improvement than brute force. Kaizen fosters resourcefulness, because it teaches people to work smarter, not necessarily harder. Teach resourcefulness. Kaizen requires you to ask, constantly, is there a better way? The starting point is Kaizen. Any problem, maybe it's the initial pain in the fingers of new electronic circuit board assemblers. Where the more experienced worker says, you'll get used to it after a while. Yet when a new employee starts, the problem springs up again. Still costing time, pain, and loss of productivity. If this continues, the company gains another patient worker, who experiences no further growth. The only virtue is wasteland where nothing grows. The case of a woman who refused to adapt to her pain. Ms. B felt she was wasting time. Is there a better way, she wondered. She not only made her own job more interesting, by thinking how to improve it, she also helped the company become more productive. Kaizen is revealed only when we understand the true purpose of the job. Only then, the best way to improve the job is revealed. Ms. B created a better tool to solve the problem. One of the hardest things for people to do is to know the purpose of the job and how to do it efficiently. Every improvement begins with the question, what's the purpose and why am I doing it? If you are not clear about the purpose, you spend too much time on the means of doing it. If you hear, this is how we've always done it, this usually means people have forgotten the purpose of a job. Getting back to the purpose clears the way for you to consider other ways to accomplish the task. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, Kaizen transfers know-how.